IGTV is the new video sharing platform by Instagram, and today I'm going to teach you how you can upload your IGTV videos via your phone. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe. Start creating. Now IGTV is this new video sharing platform by Instagram. It's kind of the next step up from Instagram stories. You can initially upload clips from around about 15 seconds up to 10 minutes in long form content in vertical profile portrait mode, which normally seems a bit weird for YouTubers like us. But you might need a little help adjusting how to do this, so I'm going to step you through step by step exactly how you upload via your phone. First of all, you need to record your video. Now, this needs to be in portrait mode, or you can record it on like a DSLR and send it to your phone, but it needs to be in the normal aspect ratio of 9:16 rather than 16:9. In other words, simply tip your HD camera up on its side and record it that way. You will then need to download the IGTV app and start the IGTV app. It will launch your account. Make sure that you are linked to an Instagram account and then click on your own profile image and you'll see a little plus icon. You can then choose your desired video from the selection that's on your phone. Once again, you could have sent a video to your phone, or it could be a native one. You then click next, and it will give you the chance to choose a title, a description, and look at your own artwork. This title, make sure it's descriptive, make sure it explains exactly what you're doing, and your description's also your chance to link back to, say, your YouTube or your Facebook, and just generally explain who you are, maybe even if you want to, affiliate links accordingly. Now, you can edit your cover image or your thumbnail. This, you can either pick a still photo from your phone, or you can create your own and upload it that way, just like you would any normal custom thumbnail on YouTube. Or you can take a still frame from the video you're uploading. Then, if your Instagram account is a business account and connected to your Facebook already, you can choose to share it to your Facebook directly, and then you are done. It's rather simple, it's rather quick, and now you can start either repurposing or making your own videos for Instagram TV. It might explode, it might be the next Vine and do really, really well, or it might die. But you'll only know if you're on there. Now, this video is and will be part of a series, so if you want to see the rest of the series videos, they are up here. And if you want further Instagram TV or YouTube tricks and tips, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I upload. Go out there, start creating.